Is your Maytag gas dryer refusing to start? Don't panic. The most common culprits are the door switch, start switch, or a simple control board glitch. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these issues, potentially saving you a costly repair bill. We will cover the essentials to get your dryer up and running quickly. The door switch is a crucial safety feature that prevents the dryer from running when the door is open. A faulty door switch is often why a dryer won't start. The door switch works by connecting the power supply to the control board only when the door is closed, completing the electrical circuit for safe operation. To test the door switch, first visually inspect for damage, dirt, or loose connections. With a multimeter, test for continuity when the switch is engaged. To replace the door switch, unplug the dryer, remove the old switch, and install the new one. Ensure wires are properly connected. According to experts, 65% of start issues are fixable by cleaning or replacing the door switch. The start switch sends the signal to initiate the drying cycle. Over time, it can wear out or become damaged. Learn to identify symptoms of a failing start switch. Common signs include the dryer not starting when the button is pressed, or intermittent operation with delayed starts. This section shows you where it's located. The start switch is typically found on the control panel or behind the front panel of the dryer. How to check for physical damage. Inspect the switch for cracks, loose wires, or corrosion. Also look for burn marks or melted plastic that indicate electrical issues. Simple troubleshooting steps. First, unplug the dryer and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Second, clean the switch contacts with compressed air. Third, test switch continuity using a multimeter to check if the circuit is complete. Remember to disconnect power before any inspection to ensure safety. Sometimes a simple control reset can resolve the issue. This clears error codes and resets the dryer's system. We'll demonstrate the proper way to perform a control reset on your Maytag gas dryer by unplugging it for 1 to 2 minutes to discharge capacitors. Note, this is often a band-aid fix for deeper issues. Before starting the door switch replacement, gather these essential tools: a screwdriver for removing panels, a multimeter to test electrical continuity, a replacement door switch, and optionally pliers for handling wires. First, unplug the dryer from the electrical outlet to prevent any risk of electric shock during the repair. Next, open the dryer door and locate the door switch, which is typically mounted on the door frame or jamb. Test the switch using a multimeter. With the door closed, there should be continuity. If not, the switch needs replacement. Disconnect the wires from the switch terminals. Note the wire colors and positions for reconnection. Remove the mounting screws, take out the old switch, and install the new replacement switch. Reconnect the wires to the new switch, plug the dryer back in, and test by closing the door and starting a cycle. Remember to consult your dryer's manual or search online for specific instructions for your model. If the previous troubleshooting steps for the door switch, start switch, and control reset don't resolve the issue, the gas valve solenoid may be at fault. Although less common, a faulty gas valve can mimic dryer start failures. First, ensure that the gas valve is not mechanically stuck, as this can prevent proper operation and cause the dryer to fail to start. Next, test the solenoid coil for electrical continuity using a multimeter. Measure the resistance and verify it matches your specific model specifications. If the coil shows no continuity or if the resistance measurement falls outside the acceptable range for your model, the solenoid will need to be replaced. Working with gas and electricity requires caution. Always disconnect the power supply before working on your dryer. If you suspect a gas leak, do not attempt any repairs yourself. Safety is paramount. The future of appliance repair is here, with smart diagnostics and IoT connectivity in Maytag dryers. These features allow real-time monitoring and early fault detection, potentially preventing starting problems before they occur. AI-powered fault detection uses machine learning to analyze dryer data and predict component failures. This can identify problems with door switches or start switches before they cause complete failures, reducing repair incidents by up to 20%. App-based resets allow you to control and troubleshoot your Maytag dryer remotely using a smartphone. The app can guide you through diagnostic procedures and perform resets, eliminating the need for manual unplugging in many cases. User-generated repair videos on platforms like YouTube and TikTok provide accessible DIY fixes for common issues. Additionally, augmented reality repair apps offer step-by-step visual guidance, reducing repair times from hours to minutes and making maintenance more accessible. These smart features and community resources are revolutionizing how we maintain and repair Maytag dryers, potentially eliminating many starting problems through proactive diagnostics and easy-to-use tools.